This is Samsung Galaxy A14, and today I would like to demonstrate you can enter and use the camera pro mode on this device. First step is to obviously launch the default camera app itself. Then among the available modes over here, go into the More section and tap at the Pro mode. While inside the Pro mode, you can manually set values for ISO, shutter speed, exposure, focus distance, and white balance. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.